Well, let's talk
So
about what kind of features do you have in mind?
You spelled
definitely.
invalid wrong, by the way, in invalidcommand.cs. Hey, that's what I'm here for.
Okay. Well, the features that I definitely want to support are going to be, first of all, moving between rooms. That's going to be obviously the most basic feature of an RPG text game. I want to support the ability for an inventory as well. But most importantly, I want things to be extensible to the point where we can write some custom code for particular rooms and get rooms to behave differently depending on how many times you've entered them, what you've done in the rooms, and so on. So I want to support maybe a basic concept of other creatures. I don't necessarily want to get into like a combat system, but just having, being able to represent your health bar, for example, and inventory items that affect that. And I also we're going to have a basic text format that we're going to be using to load the game and be able to edit the game outside of the actual game runtime. So as you see right now, I'm just instantiating a few objects and setting them up manually, but when everything is completed, this will all be loaded from a file, and that file will be allowed to use the functionality that you've built into your engine to arrange things in whatever way you want.